Learn English as a celebration. As students learn English, too often they become obsessed with the future. They think, someday I will speak English fluently, and then I'll be happy. But in the present, they're miserable. They're miserable in their boring English class, sitting in a small chair, scribbling in a notebook, memorizing word lists, analyzing extremely boring grammar rules. They're also stressed because they know their English speaking is not improving quickly. This is not the way to learn English. Indeed, it's not the way to learn anything. Of course, most students are merely following the learning system they know best. A learning system created by boring, tired, stiff, and ineffective teachers and bureaucrats. This is the only system most students know. They grew up learning in this way, from elementary school through graduate school. However, you must never confuse education with learning. True learning is a celebration. True learning is active, fun, energetic, and exhilarating. Human beings are naturally designed to learn. When we are truly learning, not just being educated, we automatically feel great. How can you learn English in this way? How can you discover the excitement and happiness of learning right now? Mostly, you must unlearn your ideas about education. Teachers taught you to sit still, be quiet, and obey. You must do the opposite. Move your body as you learn, be loud, and break all the rules. In my seminar, students were shocked, in a good way, by my teaching methods. Immediately, I had them standing and dancing to music. They looked at me like I was crazy, but that was just the beginning. As the 5-hour seminar continued, I continually raised the energy level. Students didn't just dance a little bit. They jumped, they yelled, they moved powerfully. They energetically and enthusiastically participated in every minute of the class. During 5 full hours, the energy level never dropped. The seminar was more than just an English class. It was a celebration of learning. As the students walked out the door at the end, they were laughing and glowing. They were excited and they felt great. They had learned a tremendous amount in a short time, more than they had thought possible, and they loved it. The problem with most teachers is that they have such low expectations of themselves and their students. They are content to be average or merely good. And so they create average, boring classes. You should demand more. Demand more from your teachers and demand more from yourself. Insist that your English learning experiences be absolutely fantastic. Insist on an enthusiastic celebration every time you learn English. Insist on excitement. Insist on excellence. Insist on tremendous results.